Hello, this is Tony. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to restore this Philips 369, which I found again on the eBay or the Marktplaats in Netherlands. I remember this transmitter from my past. I used to have one myself and it was not that good. This one now I got for 10 euros. Of course, I needed to pay some shipping, but still very cheap. So I thought I could take the risk. So, like always, I first clean and then hook it up to the test machine. So I will be back after the cleaning. Okay, it's all cleaned up. Yeah, the microphones immediately show up so much better after a clean job. And when you clean the cable, it's completely nice and shiny. So that's a good start. At least it's nice to work on. So if I connected the power to the 12-13 volts. I connected the antenna cable to the Marconi. So let's see. Well, it does power up. There is no audio. Okay, well, we check that later. It does seem to transmit. Well, in these old types of CBs, the audio goes through the microphone. So by pushing the PTT, the push to talk, you actually switch off the speaker and you connect the microphone. Maybe you use the same amplifier for the microphone as the speaker, or just want to be sure that the audio is switched off while transmitting. But they do this almost with all the models. This board inside is not a Cybernet, so it's a little bit different. But well, it's more. So let's see. Well, it does transmit. It's not that far off. Okay. We can check the reception, although we will not hear, but yes. Can we see? Maybe if yes, okay, it does receive. I do get signal. Okay, that is nice. Okay, well, what I can do is switch microphones, because as I explained before, the audio goes through the microphone. Okay, that's a surprise. Although the connectors here, it's for, and it is for, when I plug it in, it starts to transmit immediately. Let's see if I can do plug it in and hold the camera. No, you don't see like this, so I just push it in. Here you see it starts transmitting immediately, and I have no sound, so we just need to open it up and see and if there is an easy fix or not. So it's open. I put back in the original microphone. I put a little signal on the radio tester, so I put the squelch to 0 and I put a little bit of volume, and the speaker seems to be connected, and all the wires are connected at least. So let's see if we have the signal. We just put the scope on the speaker just to see if the speaker is broken or not. Yes, we have a signal. Okay, so it turns out the speaker is broken if I turn the level of the radio tester. Turn it on. Yes, we will get distortion. Okay, so it seems like a proper speaker signal, so the speaker is probably broken. So let's try that first. Okay, I disconnected the speaker from the radio, and what I'm just gonna do is just gonna measure the resistance. I hope I can do this in one hand. And just measure. A speaker should be about 4 to 8 ohms. So let's see. Yeah, it's endless. So this speaker is definitely not working. You can check if the wires are stuck. So it's just not working. I've here an old speaker of one of my other radios, and just to show you. Okay, one of the cables pop out of my multimeter, so we're just gonna do this again. Put on the 2 connectors, and we have nothing. Okay, so now we're gonna measure my spare parts. Is a bit difficult on one hand. Yes, yeah, it is. This here is, you see what you should see, it's well between 4 and 8 ohms. So the speaker is working. So the speaker is a lot bigger, but we just want to know if this is the solution. Okay, connected the other speaker, and we have sound, a lot of sound. So this speaker probably is not good. I need to find another one, because this speaker you will probably blow. Let's see how is the reception. If it's like half, then it's great. But this is okay. Happy with that. That's good. So I will go to my spare parts and see if I can find another speaker that has a better fit. And maybe has more power, so you don't blow it. Okay, well, went through my old stuff. I found a very old Zodiac Mini. I'm not even sure. It's probably an old AM transmitter. It doesn't work with the PLL, but it works with crystals. Yeah, well, no crystals in. I don't see any power amplifier in. So yeah, this is how old. I'm not gonna even try to repair this one, but the speaker looks more or less the same. My old one is round, but size wise it's more or less the same. So maybe with my Dremel I can cut off the edges, and then we can make a fit. So I'll be back. Okay, that took a lot of time to find the proper speaker. I thought that one would be nice, and I just bended the edges instead of just taking them out. But yeah, in the end, if you look, it was touching the circuit board, because if you see, this one is a lot higher than this one. But I found one in an old TV. So I'm gonna use that one. Good size, not too high, so we try that one. And then I'm just gonna put some glue. Have to wait for the gun to heat, but then we just put. Okay, this doesn't look that good, but I applied the glue, and then I just put some duct tape. The duct tape is not to fix the speaker, but just to get the sound directed forward, so it's completely closed as it should be. So we do the final adjustments. Here we go. That's it, another project done. If you find my videos interesting, you can subscribe in the top right. And for now I say thank you for watching.